Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna fix a common issue that's found in a lot of Mercedes, and it's happened to my wife's C300. And the issue is the peeling, flaking window buttons. It just looks really ugly and it makes any Mercedes looks like it's a really cheap car. So yes, I could go online and buy those cheap eBay stickers to put on top, but they just look cheap. The next best thing was I went searching and I finally found a button to replace the actual worn button. It was really hard to come by, so if I can find more online for a really good price, I'm gonna buy them all because I know I'm gonna need it down the road. So here's how I did the swap. So here's the flaking button. To remove it, it's pretty easy. Just push down on it, take something flat like a flathead screwdriver, stick it in behind where that crack is, and then lift. There you go. And to install the new button, I gotta make sure the front is kind of pointing down, almost like I'm pushing the button down. And then on the back side, I'll clip it in. Just like that. All set. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.